What's going on, guys? J.R. Shelby, the general manager at Palm Harbor Homes here in Victoria. I'm standing in a 3256 Cavco. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-section house right at 1,800 square feet that we have marked down ready to deliver. We can sell you this house for right at about $140,000. That price does include delivery and setup, AC, the whole nine. This is a great floor plan, one of our best selling floor plans. We're making room to bring the new one in, so we're ready to part ways with this one. Where else can you find a double wide that's 1,800 square feet for only 140 grand? There's not one out there, folks. This is it. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful master bath, tons of room for the kids on the other side of the house. You got a great kitchen, great living room, a lot of room for entertaining. Guys, we want you to give us a call on this house. This house is a great floor plan. Our phone number is 361-576-2171. We'd love to hear from all of y'all. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.